our newest product lines is Advanced Image Robotics. We have their charter kits in stock and available now, and we want our dealers and your customers to be part of this exciting charter program. The charter program details are all available from your Broadfield sales rep, but let's demo the product that we're talking about right here today. Please, Nick.
So what you got at a very high level is you've got a digital cinema camera connected to a 3-axis gimbal robot that you can control from anywhere. So
Awesome.
Connects over IP. It also plays nice with baseband if you've got a hardware-based switcher. But basically the idea is you have a touchscreen iPad to be able to control the movement of the robot. Down here are your presets, so you can preset positions and double tap to return to them at different speeds. The big difference that you're going to see between what we're doing here and most other PTZs is the fluidity of the movement as well as easing in and out. Because we have a CPU in here, we can also do a bunch of other things that you can't traditionally do with a robotic or with a PTZ case.
Sure, absolutely. Thank you very much.